Successful people love talking about how they did something.
Right.
It's the conversations they have. Like, it's only people, I've learned this, bro. It's only people who don't really have shit that gatekeep information.
Mm-hmm.
You feel like if you look, I love learning stuff, so I can go sit at a table with somebody who and be like, yo, yep. Like, my next conversation now is, when I'm talking to them, yep, I went and bought a $5.5 million building. Yo, I used the market to get it out. My network just increased 5.7 million. Yo, what's up? What I need to learn how to do? I need to learn how to do cost segregation. What's up? They ready to talk to me about it. That's my next level, man. I'm gonna get 100 million. I'm gonna build a $100 million business. How do I get street niggas in the stock market? That was my whole thing. It grew into something. I was kind of like Losi, like, nigga, we just gonna do this and we gonna see.
Right.
I remember telling my cousin, like, say, cuz, you know, if street niggas knew this shit have changed the game for niggas. Well, what happened if we bring them to a situation where the money print all day and all you gotta do is learn the rules. So if a street nigga tell me, bro, that ain't my thing, nigga, you ain't know how to hustle till somebody taught you.
Nigga, stupid ass.
Somebody taught you how to hustle. Somebody taught you how to cook up. Somebody taught you how to somebody taught you how to recalibrate the scale. Somebody taught you even how to wet it and wear it wet. Somebody taught you how to put a double knot in it. You ain't just learn that shit. Nigga taught you the game. So take this game the same way. Stop saying you don't know numbers. Nigga, you know numbers. Nigga, you a hustler. Nigga, you know numbers if you don't know how to read, nigga. You know numbers. So my whole vision was, if I can get, it wasn't about saving nobody else, bro. It grew into that, and I'm glad God put that in my spirit. But initially, it was, how do I get street niggas out the street?
You know, I like breaking it
Let's
down.
go. Talk to me.
I'm glad God allowed me to learn from my experiences.
Yep.
I ain't had to be the nigga to go do that and do that. No. You did that, you did that, you did that. You see how dangerous that shit is?
Yeah.
You see how serious that shit is, man? Stop playing, man.
Stop playing.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
You feel me? I ain't gonna let you get third-degree burn, but you do got burn marks.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Enough to know it's real.
Enough to know, nigga, you can get burnt. Dig what I'm saying? So, I'm a nigga. Say if I'm a regular nigga, be like, all right, trap, bro, I heard you, bro. God damn, bro. All right, look, nigga. Nigga, I heard you. You say you aggressive. You just invested $400,000, $300,000. Listen, bro, I'm out here selling. I'm a QP type of guy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't want to sell dope no more.
Yeah.
I got about 5 more months in me and I'm done.
Yeah.
I got to run that bag up because I'm finna start investing, gang.
Yeah.
I got about 5 racks saved up. I'm talking about the average.
Yeah.
Every nigga, like,
Yeah.
I got about 5 racks saved up. I'm doing good for myself. I got a whip. I'm paying my phone bill. Got food stamp. We got food on table. I ain't no fuck nigga.
That's your average. Before you
feel
go
me?
fly, that's the average hustler right
That's
there.
the average hustler.
That's the average hustler
And
right
that's
there.
a nigga that's getting money.
And he getting money.
He getting money.
Yeah, facts.
So I know
with
you,
you.
young nigga.
I'm with
So
you.
check this out.
Yeah.
I'm really straight on this shit though, man. This shit hectic, getting on my nerve for real.
Facts.
I know what that second, third strike like.
Look like.
You feel me?
Yeah.
I ain't even know I can go get a legal gun, so I'm finna put the dirty gun up, go get a legal gun,
Yes, sir.
still be strapped up, but
Yeah.
I wanna be investor.
Yeah.
I got $1,000, gang.
Yeah.
What do I invest in with $1,000? I ain't got 40K, I ain't
That's
got
good.
10.
That's good.
How do I start from 1,000?
I got you. Let me say that. I'm gonna give you that game on 1,000. I'm gonna give you a parable in the Bible right quick. It's the parable about the talents. One man had 5 talents, one man had 2 talents, one man had 1. The one with the 5 and the one with the 2 both flipped their money.
Yes, they did.
Right? If I got 400K and you got 1,000 and we both flip our money, we both got 100% rate of return on that. So one thing I want to tell people is, you don't have to, no nigga start big. We all start with a hot 1,000, hot 500. Next, I'm gonna tell you this. I want you to do one thing with this smartphone that you got. I want you to go look up the top 10 richest niggas in the world. And when you pull them up, I want you to realize that 9 out of 10 of them got companies on the stock market. Pick one. A nigga ain't the top 10 richest niggas in the world because he got a shitty company. He part of the top 10 richest niggas in the world because he know what he doing. Take that 1,000, put 75 to 80% of it in any one of them one you want to go with. The only one that ain't on the stock market is the dude that got the oil company in India. Everybody else is Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, niggas that you know. Take that hot 1,000, go put it in one of them companies. And
Berkshire Hathaway.
You feel me? Here's what we gonna do. You say you got 5 months left in the game. Bet. The 5 months you got left, 80% of every time you get some bread, you gonna put it in that same company. 80% of it. You got 5 months left. That means you still trapping. You got 5 months left and that's it. 80% of whatever you come up with, you gonna put it in that one company. Cause all I want you to do right now is be exposed to how dope the game is.
Okay, I hear you, Trap. I'm gonna go do my homework. But I see you saying you got calls and all that. Like, where I go to learn the
I don't want
terminology.
you on that yet.
But if I invest into a stock market, that means I'm buying the stock and not the actual option on the call.
I don't want you in that yet.
You just only want me to buy the stock.
I only want you to do buy and hold right now because what I want you to do is I want you to get used to the game. I want you to get your feet wet. It's kind of like, again, we hustling. Before you get out there, you got to understand who all hustling in this neighborhood.
Right.
Who the robbers, who the jackers,
right.
Who set people up. You got to know who sell bullshit, who just a runner. You got to know who everybody is and how they playing.
What women to stay away from.
Who to stay away from.
Right.
So before you go to doing calls and puts, you trying to get straight into the top part of the game. You trying to skip steps. You know you can't skip no steps in the game.
Right.
I want you to start here so you can understand how the game works, and I want you to see the game is real.
I ain't gonna lie though, Trap. I bet on myself before I bet with the investor, because I don't know them niggas like that. I'm speaking on the terminology of a nigga from the street for real. I'm really betting 1,000 that you gonna flip my money.
I don't want you to have that mindset.
I can't have that mindset.
Nope, here's why. I want you to still understand what you understood from the street, but I want you to think about selling weed instead of selling heroin. I want you to start thinking about selling weed instead of selling dog food. I don't want you there yet. I want you to sell weed because it's slow and it's for show money.
I like slow money, but if I buy a stock, that means I gotta sit and wait to see if it's gonna go up or not.
If you buy an option, you gotta see if it go up or not. You want to survive the game or you want to take unnecessary risks? You getting out the street because you tired of taking them type of risks. I'm putting you here so you can live, so you can be a father, so you can give your kids some kids, and we gonna get there. I just need you to trust me, young nigga, even if you don't see it. You see me winning. And if you trusting me as the OG, you know I got you.
I gotta go buy the stock tonight.
Let's go buy the stock.
And that's the game right there, man. 85 South, Wall Street Trapper. Let them know where they can find you at, Trap.
Man, Wall Street Trapper, man. Wall_Street_Trapper on Instagram. Wall Street Trapper on YouTube. Wall Street Trapper on... and we got a dope show come on every Tuesday called Trapping Tuesdays, man, 7 p.m. every Tuesday. But I don't want them to get in the way of y'all. So
we on Friday.
All right, so catch it.
Man, we shared this what happened.
I appreciate
remember you came.
This on YouTube, gang. They gonna see this.
Sit in the chair before you even, like, you came up and was like, man, I'm just getting on this. I'm just coming home. I'm just doing, man, success story.
Appreciate it.
We glad to be a part of it, man.
85 South Show. We out of here.
You know what's